Okay, so this one's all about thresholding, turning grayscale images into black and white to make edges or patterns stand out. First, we import the OpenCV library using the import CV2 function, and then we load our BMW M5 image using the imread function. And we also load that image in grayscale using this function. If we want to use a color image, we change this to color instead of grayscale. Then we start with simple thresholding. If a pixel is if a pixel is about 127, it turns white. If not, it turns black. That's what the cv2.threshold function does. Next is the adaptive thresholding, where the image is divided into smaller areas. Each area gets its own threshold, making it better for images with different lighting. We tried two versions, adaptive thresh mean and Gaussian. So here is the mean and here's the Gaussian. Lastly, Otsu thresholding automatically picks the best cutoff value, which is great for images with mixed brightness. We display all again using the cv2.imshow function, and let's see how this looks. This shows you all the windows together. So that is your adaptive Gaussian. It had two versions, so it has a Gaussian version and a mean version. The Otsu and the simple grayscaling function. That's how we can extract details more effectively from an image. Thank you.